right about here. Sally's a Porsche car. Very beautiful sports car. A line across, a line down. Very swirly swoo at the back there. We're gonna come up like this and then down like that. There's the bottom of the car, just like this, and across. This is looking nice. Let's draw the windshield right about here. Alrighty, and now the front of the car right about here like this. Very nice, everybody. Bring it on down like that. And then across we come, just like this. Very sweet. Now we can bring that on up like this. And we'll stop right about there. Alright, now we can draw some tires. Wheels right here, just like this. Get the bottom of the wheel like that. Pretend we've got another wheel underneath here like that. And then over here, underneath, we'll start with the tire right about there, and we can bring it on up like this. Very nice. And let's draw the inside of the wheel right about here like that. And then we can draw another little circle right about there. A little closer over for perspective. Here we go, rounding that out like that. And the inside of the tire or wheel like that. Very nice, everybody. Now that we've got the basic frame, we can go across like this. And we'll draw the windshield properly. Bring it on up like that. Don't go all the way to the top. Just right about here, just like that. Looking good. And we can bring the other bit up like this. And then around like that. Bring that back like this. And Sally's got a mirror right about here that we'll draw in. Just like that. And now we can get to the fun bits. The window shield, there are eyebrows like that. One there, another one here like that. And now we can get to her eyes, kind of sitting on the bottom here like that. 1 and 2. Bit of a highlight here. And then the inside of the eye like that. Very, very nice. And over here will be her mouth. Big old smile for Sally. She's a fun car, isn't she? Just like that. Oh, I like it. Give her a bit of teeth like that. Lovely. Let's not forget her headlights. One here. Funny little lip-to-do like that. And the same over here like this. But because of the perspective, it'll look a little squished. Right there like that. Very nice, everybody. We can make some ovals inside like this, just for fun. And there over there like that. Bit of a logo, almost like a nose right about here. That's our Porsche logo. We'll just put a little dab like that because we can't get too detailed in there. Little highlights here, there. Very nice. Car door over here like this. All the way over. And then down around like that. Looking good, everybody. I think we've drawn Sally from the cars. Oh, we forgot the other window. The other mirror over here. There we go. Like that. Like it's her ears, isn't it? Okie doke. We're done. Let's get to the color. Sally has a blue frame, black tires, gray wheels, green eyes, orange and yellow logo. Thanks, everyone.